We can sign up for free, but I think I already have an account. So let's go ahead and try to log in here. I do have my Ngrok set up. This is my auth token. I'll go ahead and configure that here. Let's paste in that command. And now my auth token has been saved. We also have our Emerald domain, although we'll be running ours on 50/50. So in order to do that, Ngrok HTTP 50/50. Sweet. So now I have my Ngrok terminal set up and we're able to connect our local server to the internet. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and create another terminal so that we can do a few more things. As you've seen, they've given us a URL that we can utilize in the Twilio console. So let's go ahead and copy that. Here we have the Twilio console. As we recognize, a call comes in. We want to set this up for latest Ngrok URL. Let's confirm the route that we want to give the Twilio console incoming call. So let's grab this here, paste it right over here. I'm going to leave this alone just so that we have the most simple configuration set up. The completion of this, we're going to go ahead and hit the save configuration. Now you can see number was successfully created. At this point here, we'll see that reflected in the voice configuration. Awesome. So we've finished the step, set up Ngrok, have our port running. Here it mentions, keep in mind that each time you run Ngrok HTTP command, a new URL will be created and you'll need to update it everywhere it is referenced. So let's begin by running the application. First thing we're going to have to do is install the packages. So again, let's go over here. Let's install the packages. Sweet. Let's head over to the package.json. That there's actually no script here. Create a script and say, let's put a comma here. Sweet. At this point, it looks like our server is ready to run. I see everything but the OpenAI library. And I think the reason why I don't see the OpenAI library is because we're just using the URL at this point and just setting up a regular WebSocket that's going to access the capabilities of the OpenAI real-time API utilizing that URL. Here is the URL. So that's literally going to connect to the WebSocket server that OpenAI has themselves. And at this point, everything should be straightforward. I'm going to run server.